Hey, I'm going to be showing you some awesome sites where you can download free illustrations. That's right, free vector illustrations you can use on your web projects, on your design projects. First up, we've got opendoodles.com. This is made by Pablo Stanley. This is a recent one, and you can see here some really cool illustrations. He also built it on Webflow as well, which is pretty neat. So you can click PNG and it'll take you to the image, and you can just right click and save image as, and literally just download the image just like that. So super cool. Got a couple variety of illustrations there, really fun and all that cool stuff. You can see here some different styles. So that's number one. Number two is undraw.co/illustrations. So if you go to the site, I can actually change the colors of the illustrations as well, which is pretty handy. So if I put it on yellow, that looks nice. So I can go through and download any of these. Just keep in mind, some of these sites you might have to give attribution to the person, but they're completely royalty free. So I can use these, and maybe you want to use it for like a presentation or just something like that's educational, but you're not selling the product, then that's probably the best place to use them. But yeah, super cool and really nice illustrations here. And you can download the SVG or the PNG, whatever you need. Number three is glazestock.com. So you can see here, got some free illustrations, all royalty free. This one has a bit more complex illustrations. I don't think they have too many, but they're really nice actually. Got some nice designs, even some isometric styles. Got some landscapes there, all vector based, and you can download some of them. So this one you'll need attribution. You can buy the full thing for $10, or you can get like a small version PNG for like $0. So that's still kind of cool. So that's pretty interesting. Fourth one is manypixels.co. You can see here, this is their illustration gallery. So you can see here, once again, I can change the colors here, which is pretty cool. So if I want to go pink, oh, that's awesome. And you can download the PNG or the SVG super easily. Bunch of nice landscapes here. And I think you can buy some other ones if you want like a fixed month pricing or some plans. They got some plans here as well. So it seems like it's a design company, but yeah, you can just get these illustrations here, and it's mainly like techie, a startup type of thing, but it's mixed. So those are some nice illustrations as well. And then the last one is icons8.com. This one is super nice. You can see, you can filter through the categories of the different categories and styles they have. So if I go down, you can see they got some cute textured illustrations, more playful. That looks pretty cool. So you can see you can download the illustration. You can also download the PNG. And I'm pretty sure that you can buy a subscription, as you can see there, for all the other illustrations. So these are quite complex ones as well. Nice colors, nice line work and texturing, and looks really awesome. So yeah, you can download these. These are really nice. And yeah, so hopefully this was helpful. These are illustrations you can use, use it for your projects, explore, and play around with them. Obviously, don't just copy and paste them and say it's your work. Make sure if it asks to give you attribution, make sure you do that. But yeah, you can use it to experiment, to learn off and practice. So yeah, thanks for watching. Leave a comment and hit subscribe so you can get some more design content every week. And let me know if you want to see more tutorials like this, showing you some tools and resources you can actually use for your design work. Thanks so much for listening. Have a blessed day.